Good morning, my dear 5th semester mechanical student. Today I will discuss what is vapor compression refrigeration system. Generally, a vapor compression refrigeration system is an improved type of air refrigeration system in which a suitable working substance termed as refrigerant is used. It condenses and evaporates at temperature and pressures close to the atmospheric conditions. Generally, the refrigerants usually used for these purposes are ammonia, that is NH3, sulfur dioxide, that is SO2, and carbon dioxide, that is CO2. The refrigerants does not leave the system but is circulated throughout the system, alternately condensing and evaporating. Generally, the vapor compression refrigeration system is nowadays used for all purposes refrigeration. It is generally used for all domestic refrigerators to a big air conditioning plant. Now, I will discuss what is vapor compression refrigeration cycle with net sketch. Now, I will describe simple vapor compression system. This is the diagram of simple vapor compression system. This is the compressor. These are the condenser. This is the receiver. This is the expansion valve or refrigerant control valve. This part is low pressure liquid vapor mixture, and this side is high pressure side, and this is the pressure gauge. This is the low pressure vapor. This diagram is the evaporator. This is the insulated cold chamber, and this is the pressure gauge, and this side is low pressure side. Generally, simple vapor compression refrigeration system consists of the following 5 parts. Bit 1 is compressor, second is condenser, third one is receiver, fourth one is expansion valve or refrigerant control valve. Then bit 5 is evaporator. Now I will discuss one by one. First of all, I will describe what is the function of compressor. Now, the function of a compressor. Generally, the low pressure and temperature vapor refrigerant from evaporator is drawn into the compressor through inlet valve or suction valve. You know that what is the function of compressor, because it is compressed. Therefore, it is compressed to a high pressure and temperature. Then this high pressure and temperature vapor refrigerant is discharged into the condenser through delivery valve B. Now, I will discuss what is the function of condenser. In this figure, this is the condenser. It consists of coils of pipe. Here the condenser or cooler consists of coils of pipe in which high pressure and temperature vapor refrigerant is cooled and condensed. The refrigerant, while passing through the condenser, gives up its latent heat to the surrounding. Condensing medium, which is normally air or water. Now I will discuss what is receiver. Here this is the receiver. The condensed liquid refrigerant from the condenser is stored in a vessel that is known as receiver, from where it is supplied to the evaporator through an expansion valve or refrigerant valve. Then I will discuss what is expansion valve. This is the expansion valve or refrigerant control valve. The function of expansion valve is to allow the liquid refrigerant under high pressure and temperature to pass at a controlled rate after reducing its pressure and temperature. Then last point is evaporator. Now I will describe what is the function of evaporator. This is the evaporator. Generally, evaporator consists of coils of pipes in which liquid vapor refrigerant, that is liquid vapor refrigerant at low pressure and temperature is evaporated and changed into vapor refrigerant at low pressure and temperature. In evaporating, the liquid vapor refrigerants absorbs its latent heat of vaporization, that is HFG, from the medium within bracket, that is air, water, brine, which is to be cooled. Here these are the systematic simple vapor compression system and the parts which are described as above. Next class I will describe types of simple vaporization compression system. Thank you.